Welcome to Tech10 YouTube channel. This video is about unboxing TP-Link AC1350 Wi-Fi router. It is a dual band and model name is Archer C60. It has 5 antennas and coming to the frequency, it is 867 Mbps 5 GHz plus 450 Mbps 2.4 GHz. And if you see here, they have quoted TP-Link as world's #1 Wi-Fi product provider for consecutive 9 years, and source for it is IDC Worldwide Quarterly Wireless LAN Tracker Q4 2019. And this product comes with 3 years warranty. I request once again to please subscribe Tech10 YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. As you are aware, the setup will be very easy, and they also come up with a TP-Link Tether mobile application which is available both in Apple iOS and Android Play Store. This device comes with 4 Ethernet ports and 1 port for internet access, 1 button for power on and power off, and another one for WPS Wi-Fi on or off. This device is built with beamforming technology for better coverage. Beamforming detects the location of your connected devices and concentrates the Archer C60 signal towards them to optimize wireless connections. Features of this device includes parental control and guest network. With parental control, you can set daily limit to be used by Wi-Fi users. Guest network creates a separate access points for guests to ensure your privacy is secure. These are the features listed on the box with the specification and the contents in the package. We see here, this package contains wireless router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick installation guide. Now let me unbox TP-Link AC1350 Archer C60 Wi-Fi router. Please subscribe Tech10 YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. Here you go. This is the quick installation guide with step-by-step instruction how to set up the Wi-Fi router. This is the power adapter. It comes with 2-pin plug and length of the wire is around 2 meters. If you ask me about the country of origin, this product is made in China. This is the Ethernet cable. And this is the TP-Link AC1350 Archer C60 Wi-Fi router, and these are the 5 antennas. And you can turn these antennas in different direction. As we discussed, this contains 4 Ethernet ports, 1 internet access port, and 1 power on button, and 1 Wi-Fi on or off button. Please subscribe Tech 10 YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video.